Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to get a business line of credit with no credit check issued by American Express National Bank. Now keep in mind, there's different ways to apply for this line of credit where you can receive a hard pull on your personal credit. But in this video, we're going to share with you how you can actually get a line of credit, and this is not a credit card, this is an actual line of credit with no credit pull on your personal credit. So let's get started. Now, first and foremost, American Express National Bank has now a line of credit product. They've had this. It used to be with Cabbage. Now they have their own line of credit product that's issued by American Express National Bank. Their particular line of credit ranges from $2,000 to $250,000. That's the credit limit range they'll issue to you. Now, when you draw on this line of credit from American Express, if you're approved, they give you different terms that you can select. So you can, a repayment term can be 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, and in some cases up to 24 months repayment terms. Now, you can draw on your line of credit multiple times. So for example, if you have a $250,000 line of credit and you need only $20,000, you can pull $20,000 off that line of credit, and let's say 8-9 months down the road, you're still repaying on that $20,000, but you need another $50,000, you can draw again because obviously you have available credit on that credit line. So that's what's really flexible about this line of credit. It's very unique. There's no origination fees and there's no annual fees for this. No prepayment penalties, so you can pay off on your line of credit when you draw on it anytime you want with no penalties to you. Now, this is a quick application. This is a very simple, streamlined process. I'm going to share with you what you need to do to get what's called a pre-approval. When you're pre-approved for the business line of credit with American Express, they don't do a hard pull on your personal credit. So there are specific steps and qualifications to acquire a line of credit with American Express with no credit check. On this line of credit, though, keep in mind, it's you pay for it when you use it. So if you get the line of credit right away, it doesn't mean you have to draw on it immediately. There's no type of requirements. You have to use it every month or anything like that. It's available to you whenever you need it and how much you need. In order to get a no credit check on this particular line of credit, you want to find out if, first of all, if you're eligible. Second is how do you find out if you're pre-approved for this line of credit so you can then apply with no credit check. So first, you have to be at least 18 years old. This is on their website. I'm going to walk you through on their website how to go through the process, okay, and what's required before you apply. You have to have an American Express card. You have to be a card holder, have at least one active American Express card, whether it's a personal American Express card or a business credit card that you have with American Express or a charge card. You have to have that card for at least 6 months of account history. So if you don't have an American Express credit card currently, you want to get into the American Express ecosystem. You want to acquire a business credit cards. We've done some videos on that. Now, if you have bad personal credit, you're working on improving your personal credit. Now, keep in mind, this is not a requirement to apply for the line of credit. I'm sharing with you the requirement to get a line of credit with no credit check. Okay, you can apply for this line of credit where they're going to pull your credit, hard pull. But this video, we're talking about how to do it without a no credit check. So you have to have at least 1 year in business and your average monthly revenue of $3,000 a month. Okay, so these are the requirements to even be eligible for a business line of credit with no credit check. Okay, so if you meet these requirements right here, then you can go into how you find out if you're pre-approved. Okay, so if you meet these eligibility requirements, the first thing you're going to want to do is keep in mind, you already have an American Express card. You've had it for 6 months, so obviously you have a login. You have a user ID and password to log into your credit card account. So you're going to need to create an American Express Business Blueprint account. That's step number 1. That's a requirement. It's completely free to get this American Express Business Blueprint. So how you're going to do that is you're going to go to their website. So here's American Express website. I'm bringing it up to you. I'm going to walk you through step by step. So you go to AmericanExpress.com, then you're going to click on this business right here, this business tab. And then you're going to see all the way here, you see business line of credit. All right, you're going to click on this business line of credit product. And that's going to take you to their actual business line of credit to apply. So this is where you can apply, but they'll do a hard pull. I'm going to share with you how to do it with no credit check. So first thing you need to do is sign up for the blueprint. So you're going to go over here to where it says Cash Flow Solutions and click on Blueprint Products right here, okay? So this is going to take you to the American Express Blueprint, okay? This dashboard, it's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up. This allows you to look at all of your American Express products that you have, whether you have credit cards, a checking account with American Express. It's a cash flow management tool. It's completely free, but you have to sign up for that. That's number one. So you'll see right here, you click this button that says sign up for free. So you're going to sign up, and this gives you the option. You could create a new account, and if you do create a new account, let's say you don't have an American Express card, that's going to obviously result in a hard pull when you want to apply for the line of credit. The way to go with no credit check is you want to log in with your current American Express account, which is the credit card you currently have. So that'll take you to your login right here. So you're going to log into your credit card account and then open up the business blueprint. And you log in, you're going to create a business blueprint account, really simple. Now it's going to give you some options in the blueprint where you can link your business bank account. Your bank account is optional, because what they're going to look at to see if you pre-qualify is they're going to look at your account history with them, with your credit cards that you have with American Express. How have you paid them, your credit limits, your management, etc., your payment history, the information you provided on your credit application when you got approved for your credit card with American Express. Those are things they're going to look at. But if you wanted them to get a much better view of your business, then I really highly recommend you link your business bank account in your blueprint account. So this is going to be the image you're going to see in your blueprint dashboard, and you can link your account, your bank account, and allow American Express to look at the data, read-only data on your business bank account. So they're going to look at not only your credit card history that you have with them, they're going to now look at your bank account activity. So that's optional. You don't have to link your business bank account, but I recommend it because that'll give them more information to see if you're pre-approved and how much they're going to pre-approve you for an actual line of credit. So once you've got your business blueprint account set up and you've linked your business bank account, the next thing is now you want to see if you're pre-approved for an actual line of credit. So let's go take you back here to the website. Okay, so once you've created a business blueprint account, then you're going to log out. All right, and now you're going to go back to AmericanExpress.com, the homepage. Okay, we're going to do this process again. This is to see if you're pre-approved for an actual line of credit. So now you're going to go to this business tab again, click on business line of credit. Now you'll see here where it's business line of credit. You don't click the apply now button. You're going to see right here where it says sign in to see if you're pre-approved. So let me just make sure you've done all these things. You've created your business blueprint account. You've linked up your business bank account. Okay, and you log out. Now you go back to American Express here, you go to this business line of credit, and now you're going to click on where it says sign in to see if you're pre-approved. Okay, so then you're going to create this, you're going to use your same user ID and password that you use to log into your credit card account with American Express. And what's going to happen is once you log in, it'll say whether you're pre-approved or not. And if it's pre-approved, they say congratulations, you're pre-approved. Click here to apply, and then you can apply, and it's going to be no credit check, okay, because you're pre-approved. It even states it on their website. So if you're pre-approved, and then you go through the process, they can approve you for an actual line of credit. And that's getting a line of credit with American Express National Bank with no hard pull on your credit. From there, when you log into your credit card account, you'll see there's going to be an actual business blueprint tab that you can click on, and that'll give you access to your line of credit. You can decide how much you want to draw on, what repayment terms, and it's really simple. Your funds are deposited in your account right away, your business bank account. Now what is the American Express Business Blueprint tool? I want to kind of give you a real quick rundown on that. It's a free cash flow management platform. It's designed for small businesses. You can sign up for this blueprint if you're not a credit card customer with American Express. Now keep in mind, you don't have to have a credit card, but you do have to have 6 months of history with the credit card and meet those eligibility requirements if you want to get a line of credit pre-approved with no credit check. But you could still sign up for this for free if you're not an American Express customer. This allows you to have a snapshot of your select American Express products. So with this blueprint, it gives you a list of all your credit cards that you have with American Express. And even if you have a checking account, you could select it. And what's unique about this is it gives you a snapshot of all your linked external accounts, your business bank account, even if you have an American Express checking account, in a single dashboard. They provide that to you. It's and they have a nice mobile app as well. But this is the icon you're going to see when you log into your credit card account with your American Express. They'll have this option where you click on Business Blueprint, and that'll take you to that dashboard. Okay, and just for making it easy, because when you log in to sign up for Business Blueprint, it automatically links your current American Express credit cards, your business ones, to your Business Blueprint. Not your personal ones, your business ones. For those of you who are looking for more access to credit, and what I just shared with you, of course, this is a process to get an actual line of credit with American Express with no credit check whatsoever. Let's just suppose you need more credit. You have some credit with American Express or you don't. So if you're looking for more revolving lines of credit in the form of business credit cards, you want to get as much funding as possible, we offer a done-for-you funding program. We get up to $175,000 in unsecured business credit lines for your business. And these come with 0% introductory APRs for up to 18 months. The only type of credit lines you get with 0% are actual credit cards. Okay, so actual lines of credit don't offer 0% offers. So this is business credit card funding you'll receive. The minimum to pre-qualify for this is 680 credit scores on at least 2 bureaus. It doesn't report to personal credit. So these credit lines we do get you report only to the Business Credit Bureau. So it helps you build up business credit. You'll establish about 4 banking relationships. This positions your company for future credit limit increases. This is a no-doc funding program. So you don't have to worry about financials, no tax returns, no profit and loss statements. This is stated no-doc program. So all you need to go through this funding program is obviously you submit the pre-qual form. We do a quick review. It takes us 24 to 48 hours to provide you a funding projection. So we're giving you a range of how much we can raise for you in credit limits. So let's say you have a 50 or 70,000 projection that we can get for you in business credit cards. If you want to move forward, then the acquisition takes about 14 to 20 days for you to actually receive those cards in the mail. And then now you have access to all that revolving credit at 0% APR for a period of time. Okay, so our funding process is really simple. You don't have to wait for 6 months or a year to get this credit. In 14 to 20 days, you can have access to up to $175,000 in credit limits for your business. And this also applies to startups. If you're a brand new company, you just incorporated, but you have good personal credit, we're going to leverage that with this program. So that's how this works, is your personal credits can play a big factor in how much you can raise in business credit card funding, because this is a no-doc program. But if you do have a 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old company, that's even better, because an aged business does help when it comes to getting higher projections. So to pre-qualify for this program, go to businesscreditbuilders.org. That's businesscreditbuilders.org. So this is our website, businesscreditbuilders.org. And all you're going to do is click on this pre-qualified now tab, and that's going to bring up the pre-qualification form. You just fill out this quick form, basic information here, how much funding you're looking for. This allows us to do a review. Now you are going to need to upload your most recent copy of your credit report right here, because this allows us to do a review. We're not doing a hard pull for the review. We're not even doing a soft pull. You're supplying a copy of a credit report in PDF format. Now, if you don't have access to your credit reports, you just click on this tab. You can order all 3 bureau reports and FICO scores for $1 through this link here. Once you upload it, click submit. The review process, like I said, takes about 24 to 48 hours, and we'll get back to you with the results. Now, for those of you who are looking for more step-by-step, you want to learn how to build business credit, you're looking for more access to credit like vendors, suppliers, and let's say you have bad personal credit, but you still want to build up your company's credit, I encourage you to check out our business credit building system. That's at businesscreditbuilders.org. If you found this information helpful for you, give us a thumbs up, click subscribe. That way you're notified every single time we come out with a new video. So with that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.